You know how men are always needing someone to hold their measuring tape? Well, not anymore. This electrical one does it automatically. Shines a little dot on the wall. Then you just hit this little measure button and boom, calculates 113 and an eighth inch. And you can just like move it to different walls. So just tap it again, boom, different wall. And then just tap it again, and then boom, 68 and a quarter. It says the last measurement, and of course it's a real measuring tape, so boom. Like, absolutely love this thing. Get them while they're still in stock. Big discount going on today. Awesome gift for anybody.